Parents, and welcome to the virtual curriculum night for Math 1. This is Mrs. Barefoot, and I will be leading you through the presentation. For Math 1, I have suggested that the students either have a 5-subject notebook or a binder. The students are responsible for maintaining all of their notes, classwork, homework in their notebook. The binder or notebook should just be used for my class. Each day, the students will need pencils as their primary source of writing all of the information. The graphing calculator is optional. I suggest the TI-84, 84 Plus, or TI-84 Plus CE. We have a class set. Again, if your child does need one or you purchase one, I suggest that you label it clearly, that if they bring it to school and something should happen to it, name is on it. It is not necessary. As they go through their higher levels of math, it is recommended to have one. The Math 1 curriculum contains the following concepts. The students take 2 exams this year, so this is a difference from 6th grade. They take the Math 1 EOC and the Math 7 EOG. The Math 1 EOC is worth 20% of their final grade. So they will get a score, 1, 2, 3, or 5, just like they have in the past with their EOGs, but that final score will be placed into the grade book and be worth 20% of the final grade. Math 1 is one of the requirements that is for high school. The grade that they receive now does not transfer on to their GPA when they become a freshman, but it does show the letter grade and they do get credit for it. So after my class in 8th grade, they'll take Math 2. As a freshman, they'll take Honors Math 3 or Math 3. Sophomore year, Honors Pre-Calc. Junior year, AP Calc AB or AP Calc BC. And then senior year, they can take AP Statistics or AP Calculus BC. A primary source that we use throughout the year and in class and out of class is iExcel. The students have all received their own username and password, and they have a card, and it should be located in their agenda or in the front of their notebook. This is just a model for what I will be accepting for work. Students must show all work. I've explained this to them. If there is no work, there is no credit. So this goes for homework, classwork, quiz, and tests. Thank you for attending the virtual curriculum night.